Hey everyone, this is Carla or Jenkins, and in this video, I'm going to talk about 5 reasons why you should still continue your 100 days of cloud code or machine learning code, even after you finish day 100. So, right now, I'm on day 125 of 100 days of code, and I wanted to share the 5 reasons. So, number one is there's more to learn. You have to realize whether it's coding, uh, cloud computing, or machine learning, these aren't static institutions. These aren't static topics. There's new code, there's new machine learning algorithms, there are new cloud providers. It's just always dynamic. So it's not static. It just doesn't stay in one spot. And that's why I made a decision to continue beyond just fulfilling the 100 days of cloud. The number two reason is to keep the momentum going. Think about it. You've dedicated 100 days towards one singular topic. You probably have gotten one or two certifications along the way. Why squander that momentum when you can just keep it going, improve your coding, improve your programming skills, just improve yourself. I'll give myself as an example. For the first 100 days, I received two certifications: my Azure Fundamentals and my Oracle Foundation Associate Cloud certifications. In the second 25 days, so I'm at day 125, in the second round, I had two: Azure Data Fundamentals and Azure Artificial Intelligence Fundamental. So momentum is very important. And if you continue beyond day 100, that means you'll sustain your momentum. Number three is expanding your network. For 100 Days of Cloud, the communities are very active on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. And if you continue beyond 100 days, then you meet new people who are starting, people who are continuing, and also it's just a way of having some type of camaraderie. Like if you ever get stuck or you don't understand something, there's probably somebody in the challenge who can either direct you or producing content that will help you better understand what you're doing, be it in cloud, be it in coding, or be it in machine learning. Number four is two parts. From a personal perspective, hey, thank you, being a better professional. So, from a personal standpoint, right now in day 125, I'm more resourceful on how to find like free exam vouchers, discounts, just finding articles that would help me self-study for my certifications, learn how to do better in Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Oracle, or any other type of cloud. I'm also thinking about learning Google Cloud too, but just more expansive knowledge, and that continuing to challenge beyond 100 days makes me would make you a better professional from a personal perspective. And then from a professional perspective, continuing beyond, which is number five, is building your personal brand. I will say after 125 days of tweeting like 100 days of cloud, 100 days of code, machine learning code, that, recruiters, other participants, companies do take notice. That's the one thing I will say. I started 100 Days of Cloud July 5th, 2020, the day after Independence Day. I'm currently at day 125. What I will say is that the emails that I'm getting from recruiters and companies in July differ considerably versus what I'm getting in November. And it is all because recruiters are looking at the hashtags. They're looking at what you're putting out there on Twitter, on LinkedIn. As I mentioned, there is 100 Days of Cloud, 100 Days of Code, and Machine Learning Code hashtag on LinkedIn. That's the business, social media. So they're looking at that. And so when they see that you're getting certified or you're doing the work, you're putting your GitHub out there, that they're starting to tweak the job requisitions more for what they feel you would do because they're following you. So that's the fifth reason. So I'm going to give you the recap of the 5 reasons why you should continue doing the 100 days of cloud, 100 days of code, or 100 days of machine learning code beyond day 100. Number one is There's more to learn, whether it's cloud computing, programming, or machine learning. Number two, keep the momentum going. You don't want to squander or stop any momentum. Number three is expand your network. There's other coders, be it on Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram. Number four is just to be better professional from a personal perspective. As I mentioned, I become way more resourceful in finding ways of doing code to get free exam vouchers or discounts. I also want to shout out Start Dev Change from now, which is November 7th to November 14th. If you complete their Power Platform and Azure, I'm going to put in there startdevchange.com. You would receive a free Microsoft Azure exam voucher. I use those two to pass my Azure Data Fundamentals and my Azure Artificial Intelligence Fundamentals. So I do want to say that. And then number five is to build your brand as a professional after 125 days. I'm noticing that the recruiters are being way more specific with the job recs, and I'm being more top of mind from other recruiters and other companies, as well as getting jobs and referrals from other participants of these competitions. So I would like to thank all live and replay viewers for watching me. I would like to thank Cloud9, who's watching me on Periscope. And if you do need help in your hybrid cloud, your multi-cloud, or any type of AWS, Azure, or Oracle cloud computing, get in touch with me at carlarjenkins.com/contact. I would like to thank everyone for watching me. Or I hope that you have a great and successful 100 days of cloud, 100 days of code, 100 days of ML code. And I'll see everybody